1908 on the dirt road intersection of 8th Avenue and 10th Street in Greeley, D.R. MacArthur founded a small buggy repair shop. In 1910, the business became the first Buick distributor west of the Mississippi. As Greeley was the county seat and the agricultural and cultural center of Weld County, MacArthur named his business the Weld County Garage. Buick was one of the first American luxury brands, so you could be sure many of the Buicks sold at Weld County Garage could be found 3 blocks away at the Oasis, a 3-story, 100-plus room hotel known as one of the most luxurious hotels in Colorado. As both agriculture and the city life grew in Greeley, so did the need for automobiles, and Weld County Garage added GMC trucks in 1912 and Pontiac streetcars in 1926. The business grew and thrived even through 2 world wars and the Great Depression, and 22 presidents as Greeley continued to grow in population and size. In 1982, Lee Yoder purchased Weld County Garage from the 3rd generations of the MacArthur and Eaton family. Today, 3 generations later, it remains a family-owned business. In 2002, Weld County Garage moved to its current location on 11 acres in West Greeley. This location houses Buick and GMC sales, a thriving fleet and commercial department selling Isuzu medium-duty trucks, a service center, and all the management offices. Weld County Garage, being in the collision business since the early 40s, knew that the business was changing rapidly and in 2008 franchised with Abra Collision Centers of America. And in 2021, Abra expanded by purchasing Cooper's Auto Body in Fort Collins, a company with its own 60-year heritage. Truck sales and service has always been a big part of our business, and to expand on this, we added Truck City sales and service location in the early 1990s. Today, Truck City is a thriving truck service and fleet maintenance and repair facility. From our relationship with our fleet and commercial customers, we've seen the need for high-quality truck bed fabrication. And from this in 2021, TC Customs was born. Moving forward, they will be expanding into many other areas of metal fabrication. In the 1980s, Weld County Garage entered into the buy here, pay here business and was the second J.D. Byrider franchise in the country. From that business, Herbie's Automotive was formed and operated until 2017, when it was rebranded and renamed as DriveWise and Driven Financial Services. In 2017, Kayman Direct was formed. Kayman Direct helps dealership grow their business by assisting in customer communication and currently is working with over 72 dealerships throughout the nation. Our single location, founded in 1908, has now grown to 8 companies and nearly 350 employees. As a cornerstone business, we feel strongly about giving back to the organizations that help our community in times of struggle.
Hello, I'm Dan Voss here at Focus on the Family in Studio A.
I just wanted to say thank you to the Yoder family for all of your support at Montfort for our students, families, and our staff. You guys have been great partners to us and appreciate everything that you do for us.
I appreciate the opportunity to thank all of you who are a part of the Yoder Family of Companies, with a special thanks to the Yoder family members and David Sloan.
We are very grateful for the partnership we have with Weld County Garage and the Yoder Family of Companies. We're proud to be the foundation for District 6, but we truly could not do the work we do without our community partners.
The Yoder Family of Companies is the most amazing business, I think, in Northern Colorado.
And what I value and admire most is I truly do not believe it's only about selling cars for you. It's about helping the community, wanting us all to thrive, and really being part of making our community a great place to live.
You are the good guys. We couldn't do what we do for Weld County's older adults without you. Thank you.
Thank you on behalf of the Success Foundation. You truly are making a difference and we appreciate it.
We just appreciate all the things you're doing for our staff and for our students. Thank you, and we appreciate everything you do for us.
Thank you so much, Yoder Family of Companies. We sure appreciate you guys.
Because you have financially partnered with Focus, we have a worldwide reach with eternal impact. Thank you for standing with us. We couldn't do it without the Yoder Family of Companies.
To continue growing into the future, we are proud to announce the founding of Yoder Family of Companies to serve as a parent company of all the businesses. Yoder Family of Companies continues our tradition of developing employees dedicated to conveniently serving customers' automotive needs in a way that honors the Lord. We want to thank the countless employees and customers who have helped us grow since 1908, and we look forward to continuing the growth for the next 110 years. Yoder Family of Companies, rooted in faith, community driven.